I'm rolling dirty. How many times you gon' play with death before you 30? But I'm chosen, so I'm rolling with 11 on my closest on.
Hey guys, Remy here. Just brought out these new touchscreen fold-out head units. You can find them on my shop, which is rcshq.com, and look under RCS Bargain Buys. You'll find these listed, $350, which I think is a ripper deal. High quality fold-out head unit. It's got all the features which you can see on the shop. Yeah, I thought I'd do a little bit of a video of me installing it today and show you guys how easy it is to put a head unit in yourself. In this car anyway, every car is going to be different. So yeah, be sure to research how to remove the trims and stuff in your cars. Do have a couple hints for people that are putting in stereos into their cars or doing anything with the interior trims. A lot of trims just clip out, but a lot of them still have screws as well. So if you think that if you're trying to clip it out and you think, I don't know, it just doesn't want to come, it's probably because it's got a screw in it. So have another look around and see, and you'll find that most cars will disassemble from the center console upwards. I don't know whether that's all cars, so don't hold me to it, but most cars, if you disconnect the center console, I don't have one in this thing, but if you start with the center console, you'll find it'll have screws that'll then work your way up and you'll be able to move everything out. But yeah, just try and get behind it lightly and just unclip it, because it shouldn't be too hard to unclip if it is just the push clips. So yeah, just be careful of that. Another pointer would be that solder, which I need to turn my soldering iron on now so that it's heating up. So it's ready to go once I want to start this, because do not just twist and tape your joints, because you're going to have problems with your head unit arcing out, and the sand will cut in and out, or the power will cut in and out. It's really not that hard. Get yourself a soldering iron. Make sure you let it heat up for a while before you start using it, so that it's nice and hot, because you need a nice hot soldering iron. And just solder all your joints together, because it just makes a world of difference to the quality that you're going to have with your car. The other one is that so this head unit's this car's already got a Pioneer head unit in it. I'm going to be wiring up my head unit, which is sold under my brand, but we have a diagram on the actual head unit that shows you what wires are for what. So what then you've got to do is, if you've got a, say, Pioneer like I do in here, is look up a Pioneer wiring diagram and then use the diagram that's on our head unit, and then you'll be able to wire it all up without having to, like back in the day when we were wiring up head units, you'd be touching wires to see what worked, to make sure that you got it all wired up. I'm sorry if you can hear the mower out the front there. People seem to want to make noises when I'm filming every time, so unfortunately I can't just stop every time there's noise. Yeah, 100%, always solder your joints. Be careful when you're pulling your trims apart, and look up wiring diagrams, because you're going to make your life a hell of a lot easier. Don't just try and figure it out. If you don't have an aftermarket head unit in your car already, most wiring diagrams for the head units and stuff like that are available for most cars online. So you just Google RZN 149 Hilux head unit wiring, and most of the time, not always, but most of the time, there'll be a wiring diagram online that'll tell you what wires for what. Because it's frustrating when you get the power and the accessory wire swapped around the wrong way, and then your head unit's not remembering what's going on every time you turn it on. So be sure to get those wires around the right way. I think I'm going to have a coffee while this guy's mowing out the front, because I'm sure you can hear this really badly in the background of this. So I'll have a coffee and then we'll get into it.
It's that motherfucker rider music. All night when I'm rolling dirty. How many times you gon' play with death before you 30? But I'm chosen, so I'm rolling with 11 on my closest, on a mission to get rich like Danny Ocean. How we rolling all through traffic with this mob apparatus. These people want me in the casket, still I'm rolling. I heard heaven got a place for me there, but I don't know if I'm going on. Smoking on Sequoia, running from a paranoia. Hollywood want me to come and live and die in California. I ain't going out like River Phoenix. I wanna enjoy all of the spoils. I'm a golden boy like Oscar De La Hoya. I'm a soldier, masked up like it's the end of October. Blowing Doja in the streets with Manny Fresh down in the Noya. I done told you, when it come to beef and I ain't kosher. Bought a Cobra just to keep you snakes closer. I could spy a motive, y'all could try and clone this. Get them lines quoted, but him and I know this. A lot of my opponents hold their eyes open, rip out the hearts and let them all die soulless. It's that motherfucker rider music. It's that motherfucker rider music. Eastside, ayy. It's that motherfucker rider music. It's that motherfucker rider music. All night when I'm rolling dirty. How many times you gon' play with death before you 30? But I'm chosen, so I'm rolling with 11 on my closest, on a mission to get rich like Danny Ocean. How we rolling all through traffic with this mob apparatus. These people want me in the casket, still I'm rolling. I heard heaven got a place for me there, but I don't know if I'm going on. I heard them say they want the old gunner. Fuck 'em, I still turn coyotes into road runners. Fuck a family, I'll leave your ass with no brothers. It ain't no love when you become a man with no mother. That's what it was, I used to get my ass beat just because I ran away and hit the trap, they couldn't make me budge. Junior year, my homie selling crack right off the bus. Knew that I wasn't turning back when I got cuffed. Fuck a charge, it's the territory, y'all don't wanna march. Cemetery full of graves, I can finish what you start. Lost a milli when they sued me for a fight inside a bar. I hope you pussy think of me every time that you see the scar. This that motherfucker rider music. This that motherfucker rider music. Eastside, this that motherfucker rider music. This that motherfucker rider music. All night when I'm rolling dirty. How many times you gon' play with death before you 30? But I'm chosen, so I'm rolling with 11 on my closest, on a mission to get rich like Danny Ocean. How we rolling all through traffic with this mob apparatus. These people want me in a casket, still I'm rolling. I heard heaven got a place for me there, but I don't know if I'm going on. 24/7, I keep my eyes open, ready. All these signs show me they want me gone like I'm Machiavelli. On the cross when they cross me over something so petty. Kill them all even if I die like Method Man did in Belly. I am Gun Kelly, ain't shit you can tell me. Get me drunk and mad enough, I go pop the trunk of the Chevy. I'm a dad and a savage, this is not an image like Getty. Rap for currency like I'm Spitter Andretti, and let it fall like confetti. Ball for my dogs that they got locked in the celly. And fuck the one that turned on me, I won't never forget it. You learn it's your own homies you knew since the beginning, that see you winning and then wanna see you finish. Goddamn. Woke up and you wasn't next to me this morning. Saw a yellow cab drive you down the street on Broadway. Wish I could erase the mistakes that I made, I'm sorry. Wanted me to chase you inside, but the house too haunted. I tried to get away with the worst, this time you caught me. Tried to find a place for the words so I can say sorry. It's so shitty how I waste love. I know it's shitty how I waste love. Come home every night, I'm wasted, 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 wasted. It's getting hard to fake how I feel when your face still taunts me. I know it's hard to fake how you feel, do you not still want me? How'd you run away from the place you brought me? I did it to myself though, go ahead and blame this on me.
You tried to get away with the worst, this time I caught you. Tried to make you stay with my words, but this time I lost you. So shitty how you waste love. It's so shitty how you waste love. Get on every night, you wasted, 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 wasted.
Wait, I thought we were done, how'd you end up in my arms last night? Fuck, I guess a little.
Alright guys, so that's that's it. I've installed the head unit. Shows you how easy it is. This one went in very, very straightforward. Sometimes they're not that simple when it comes to mounting the brackets and stuff. Sometimes it can be a bit of a pain. And wiring, you know, like I said, the wiring, you just got to look up a wiring diagram to make sure that you hook it up that way. I'm a little bit confused about how to set up the CarPlay, so I've sent an email to my manufacturers to see what the goes with that. It's asking for a PIN code, which I would have just assumed that it would be factory set as 0001234, but it's obviously set as something else, so it's a little bit frustrating that they didn't tell me that, but I'll figure that out. I'll be able to let you guys know that. But yeah, so as far as CarPlay, I've just got to figure that out and do it, but the sound goes really, really well. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with the head unit as far as what I want. If you're after like a high definition, really high quality head unit, well then this isn't it. But if you're just like me, you just want a head unit that plays music and connects your phone to, answer phone calls, that sort of thing, this is perfect. And like I said, I think if you get one of those memory cards and put it in the front, you can actually change the wallpaper to have it as like your own car or whatever you want the wallpaper to be. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments of the new head unit. I reckon it's pretty cool, but I'm sure it's not everyone's cup of tea. Once I get my Rexy back from getting the motor built and stuff, and I'll start doing more videos on that, I'll do a comparison of this head unit to the one that's in the Rexy, because the one that's in the Rexy is like a good one. I think it's either an Alpine or a Pioneer or something like that. But yeah, that's a very good head unit, so I'll be able to show you a comparison of the two, and then we'll look up what the price difference is. I think the Rexy one, brand new, I bought it second hand, but brand new I think at around 600, 700 or something, whereas this is half the price. But you know, in fairness, you know, this is a budget head unit, that's a high-end head unit, so be interested to see what the difference is. I don't think there was a hell of a lot of a difference, but yeah, maybe once I get my phone connected to the car and can figure out whether that means that I can put videos onto, I don't know what the stat side of it is, so that'll have to be another video. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get back to them today. It's made I upgraded the speakers, but it's made the speakers work even better, so obviously whatever that, I'm not a auto elect, but that seems to be working even better. So I'll actually be able to listen to some tunes. I only had the radio before and CDs, which frustrated me because the only CDs that I have left these days, because who has CDs? The only CDs I had were all scratched, so it was shitting me. I couldn't listen to any music in the thing, so I could listen to the exhaust, and the exhaust in this thing's pretty loud at the moment until I figure that out. But yeah, I'm looking forward to having a head unit, bust some tunes, get my groove on while I'm cruising around in the mini truck. But if this was of interest to you, please let me know. Please like, share, comment, TikTok, Instagram, all the things, and let me know so that I know to keep doing videos in the way that I'm doing them. I'm having a bit of a test out period with doing different types of videos, so if you guys let me know which ones you like, it helps me know what I need to make for you guys in the future. If you're interested in some of the stuff that I do, I've started a new, if you jump on my website, go RCS Bargain Buys, click on that. That's a new store that I've just started. It's only got a few items on it so far, but yeah, I've got about 25, 30 different products coming in the next couple of weeks, so I'll be listing up some more stock, and then I'm going to try and add, you know, 5 to 10 products a month on there going forward. Yeah, anything you buy, whether it's merch off my store, or you come in and get work done here, or you buy products off me, it all helps me. I usually basically use all those funds just to put back into the shop, into my cars, all that sort of stuff. So by you guys buying stuff off my store, it allows me to continue to build things in the shop and make content for you guys to watch. So sort of a bit of a cycle, but yeah, I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.